now in session. The Honorable...
I'm Donna Mazzanti. I work in the Trial Court Administrator's Office in the Burlington Vicinage, and one of the many hats I wear is Coordinator of Law Day.
Your attention and you shall be heard. God save the United States. God save this Honorable Whoville Court.
Juror for a Day is Burlington's most popular Law Day program by far. The day that the program announcement goes out, it is filled to capacity. We send out a juror questionnaire to each of the schools that have enrolled. And the juror questionnaire is targeted to each of the teachers and the school, so they feel that they really are being called to jury duty. Our Law Day programs try to reach every segment of the Burlington community, and this reaches our middle or intermediate school population. Our jury manager, Gina Faye Whitaker, come up and give them a real jury orientation, just as if you were reported for jury duty.
Is we ask them all to take an oath of allegiance to the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of New Jersey. Thank you. Be seated.
This year's event is entitled State versus Cat in the Hat, and it's about the Cat in the Hat being charged with poisoning the Grinch.
Mr. Nyia, you okay with the jury as it's presently formed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bain?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so now, Mr. Clerk, swear the jury so they can go to work. Please stand, raise your right hands.
Do you swear in the presence of Almighty God that you will well and truly try the matter in a dispute between the state?
We impanel the jury as well as assign roles. A judge is selected, prosecutor, defense attorney, we have a court clerk, and the jury is impaneled. In this case, we have 16 of them to give them more an opportunity to participate, but everybody gets an opportunity to participate.
Getting to the night of the incident, did you attend Horton's birthday party as an invited guest?
He's a vile one, that Mr. Grinch. He has termites in his smile. He has all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile.
Okay, so to clarify, it is your understanding that Cindy Luhu is a person who uses poisonous berries for science projects.
You were in the Whoville Forest?
Yes. Don't you listen? I'm the guardian of the forest, protector of trees.
And you saw a creature?
Yes.
And how many creatures do you normally see?
Well, I guess, in all fairness, I see a lot of creatures.
The party was kind of boring and it needed a fix, so I entertained everyone with my juggling tricks. Yeah.
Overwhelming success, it really is. The feedback I get from the teachers, letters I get from the students, sometimes with drawings and what they've learned for the day. That's one part of the program that I always ask. Tell me one thing that you've learned today that you never knew before walking into this courtroom.
I kind of just learned about how real trials work, and I thought it was pretty cool. Well, of course, I don't think they really rhyme in real trials, but
Like, you have to be quiet and listen to everything that happens and listen to the judge's remarks and the objections and all that, because if he says you have to regard something, you can't take that into consideration. And it's, like, really important to make sure you pay attention. And, like, Cindy Luhu, she got caught up in a lie, so it was really hard for her to cover that back up, and you got to stick to your testimony.
I actually liked it because I learned a lot today, and I actually thanked my teacher for bringing me because I really wanted to learn about it, because this was my second decision from being a doctor when I grow up in the future.
The program is really important because it gives students the underpinnings of the Constitution that guarantee the right to trial by jury. Trial by jury is, set forth in Article 3 of the Constitution, but is also guaranteed by the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 14th Amendments to the Constitution. And it really brings the Constitution to life in their minds and the importance of serving as a juror. Jury service is perhaps one of the most important parts of guaranteeing a free democracy in our society. It's one of only two things that we generally rely on our citizens for. The other is voting. So it becomes very important that they understand when called, we need them to serve.